Hello everyone, my name is Jul Custodio. I go by she, her pronouns, and I'm the mental health educator with Health Promotion and Wellness. We are glad that you're here checking out this video around aromatherapy. I'll be talking about what it is, why it works, and tips how to use it. So let's get started with what it is. Aromatherapy is a way to use aromatic essential oils to improve the health of the body, mind, and spirit. It can enhance both physical and emotional health. Essential oils are concentrated plant essences. This can be every part of the plant, including the flower, petals, fruit, leaves, stems, bark, resin, seeds, nuts, etc. So all parts of the plant. In aromatherapy, there are two basic ways in which essential oils have an effect on the human body: through the nose and through the skin. Aromas are volatile, meaning they disperse in the air and are able to reach our nose. The aromas are inhaled through the nose and come in contact with nerve and extending from the olfactory bulbs. When aroma molecules hit receptors in the nerve-rich patches, it sets off a reaction that results in brain activity. Depending on the type of essential oil, there are different effects. My favorite scents are jasmine and ylang ylang and clary sage. Jasmine and ylang ylang are both flowers, and they have floral scents that are relaxing and stress relieving. Clary sage is from the leaves and buds from the plant, and that usually helps calm my mind and reduce my feelings of anxiousness. Those essential oils have many benefits, but that is the reason why I use those specific ones. There's a ton of different ones you could choose from, so find one that works with you. Now I'll be talking about tips on how to use aromatherapy. So the first one is a diffuser. So these can range from like $10 to $50 depending on your budget and what fits your style, right? It's really easy. All you do is open it up, add water, and then you open up an essential oil bottle and put a few drops, right? Essential oils are really concentrated, so a few drops do go a long way. And then you would plug it in and choose your settings. There's hour settings, there's a light on this one, but I'm not near a plug, but that's what this diffuser is able to do. Another way to use aromatherapy is simply putting it on your skin. So sometimes people put it on the wrists, near the temples, behind their ear. So if you're using essential oils directly on your skin, try a few drops and test the area of your skin first. Or what folks also do is combine it with a carrier oil. So a carrier oil will help it in your body, but not as concentrated. So one that I like is sunflower oil. And I like this because unlike olive oil, this one is not as strong as scent or flavor. So you would put a carrier oil on your body that you would consume also. So coconut oil, sunflower oil, grapeseed oil, things like that. So one way to do it is I have this roller. You would fill it up almost to the top. And then again, just put 3 to 5 drops of essential oils in this. So this is a roller that I got online. They're not that expensive and they come in a bulk, which is nice. So it could be used as gifts for other people. And then there's a cap as well. Another way to use essential oils is through a nose inhaler. So sometimes people recognize this, like there's the Vicks ones when you're sick. It's kind of the same idea. So you have this part that's like a cloth, and you put a couple drops, 3 to 5, of either one scent or a combination of scents, and then you would put it inside this tube here, and then you would cap it at the top. Basically, this is a nose inhaler, so you use it like this. But those are just some ways to use essential oils really, really easy. And I hope you're able to take away some useful tips. For more information on mental health, visit wellness.sfsu.edu/mental-health. Thanks, y'all.